welcome to successfultrading.com. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're catching us from. We are glad to have you on this channel. We could start by telling you that SPY hasn't been green the last 2 days, but that didn't stop a new trader to our Discord room. After her first one-on-one coaching, it took her a mere 2 days to record a 10-bagger. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and tell you how. All right. Excellent, folks. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Let's take a look at the market. But before I do that, yes, I know I got you with that teaser, but I had to start with that. We have this trader. She's actually a lady from Singapore. I kid you not. Never met her. She just went and scheduled a one-on-one coaching session on our website, successfultrading.com. And it was there is a 15-hour difference. Singapore is 15 hours ahead of Los Angeles, where I reside. So we got on a Zoom meeting on Sunday. Was 7 a.m. my time. I didn't know what to expect because we didn't even exchange emails or anything. So, folks, I'm not gonna bore you with all of the detail. Just that her story is so inspiring. So what we're going to be doing by very shortly here with the schedule and everything, we will do an interview, just like we did with Mr. Jack, our med student, the famous star Mr. Jack. Speaking of Mr. Jack, where's Mr. Jack up to these days? Everybody is asking me, how's Mr. Jack doing this and that? Even I feel like Mr. Jack's the star of successful trading now. Well, this is a trade for Mr. Jack. He was on the road today. This is how he's rolling now. So when you're a star, so he scored big on Microsoft today. Congratulations, Mr. Jack. Really, it couldn't be happening to a better guy. So that leads us to what? That leads us to QQQ. What's happening in the market? It's a tale of the racing to the top. What's the top? Here is QQQ, right? So since when did this happen? Last Friday? Was it last Friday, folks? Yeah. SPY, QQQ, I was about to say SPY. No, SPY is nowhere near all-time high yet. QQQ has catapulted above its previously all-time high recorded on February the 19th, 2020 at 237.47, and now we are testing the SIR of 250. Can you believe it? We're in recession. What's recession? So main component of QQQ that are thriving is the like of this one, the very one that Mr. Jack traded today. Yeah, after this consolidation, sideways action for God knows how long. So the last 4 days have just been confirmation after confirmation. While Mr. Jack was busy with that one, yours truly, we were trying to keep up pace with Amazon. Have you? Okay, so to better illustrate what has been going on with Amazon, let us go side by side and bring you the option side of actually the trade that we had over the last 2 days on here. So they are the weekly. So the question could be, why weekly? Well, if you recognize momentum, you have to trade it as such, right? So if I know that a stock is having momentum, I'm not going to be trading it for next month just for the sake of being safe or anything. Besides, have you seen the option for Amazon, how expensive they are? So we were not having it. So for us, this started yesterday. Yeah, so on the 9th, that's already at 12 something. So that's super expensive at that time already. So I think, yeah, our entry was on this candle somewhere here where it threatened to just burst, but then sideways for a while, and then nice teaser, nice gain on here if you want to take them. So you could have day traded there and just took your win. Or if you stayed in, bad things happen at the close. You end up being one frustrated a trader. So, but if you study the chart, again, that the daily chart is screaming right now, right? This candle is not good. This candle on here, a lot, but maybe we're going to put that on a file, that's one under the FOMC and Mr. J. Powell with everything that was going on here. For us, what we recognize is that, again, just like the pattern you saw on Microsoft, right? We got out of this box on here. So upon confirmation yesterday, halfway through, we took that trade on there. So eventually, we cashed that at a better price today. Oops, can we get some? I'm looking for my. Oops, it's hiding behind here. Here we go. So we were able to catch that within this first 15 minutes, folks. It went as high as 510. So we sold that. And thank you. Have a nice day. The rest of the day, knowing that there was FOMC, I told the traders this morning, take it easy. So be patient. It's only Wednesday. Oh, by the way, it's only Wednesday, but I can give you that as well. Not one, but 2 baggers have already been recorded on the subscription alerts. Yes, yes, we can't wait. Obviously, for obvious reason, thank you, Telex. For obvious reason, we shall leave the members to enjoy their trades. We will be revealing, as we have been doing over the last 3 weeks. You can check them on the video. There's no hiding here. We have been revealing the performance of those subscription trades. So if you want to be like the lady, what's her name? Oh, I should know her name. I know her name. I don't need to ask my assistant. Her name is Carol. So if she is watching this video, I know that her friends have already set up one-on-one coaching session with me. So I told her the pressure is on the teacher now, because if they come in with so high expectation to check out the 10 bagger channel or whatever. No, I'm joking aside, guys. It's just that we have been talking about it. We are in this type of unique situation that as the market's recovering, there have been opportunities really left and right. And for me, actually, that's embarrassing, because the question that I'm getting now from traders, how do you go about picking this stock versus the other one? So that's a question that for us, if you check our Twitch channel, for instance, we try to answer and to point traders towards the stock with the best reward. So if you want to come with us in a pre-market on our Twitch and from our Discord channel as well. All the instruction how to get accepted in our Discord channel, and thus the Twitch channel, or the Twitch channel, actually anybody can go in there. So where do you want me to flash that? Okay, here, hope is not doing anything as of now. I think last view on here, but we are increasing our number of followers. We are not that many, folks. We are not that many. It's a tiny new channel. So just like this very channel on here, right? There's not much going on here. So I just wanted to showcase some of the videos that we may have. Here they are. So we have a few videos here. 7 views. Oh, geez, that's oh dear. We have to start somewhere. So. Yeah, so yeah, we have some FTD videos, 2 views, 3 views, not bad. I mean, it's okay. So go check it out, because in pre-market, actually, I remember one of the members saying that, he's not going to miss it anymore because there are nuggets that come out of it. So so back to the overall markets, right? QQQ is really he has blown the top. So with 2 days left here in the week, I'm not sure if we're going to see a rotation like as we saw last week from the tech to, let's say, the laggers so far through the years. We are talking about the all, for instance. Oh man, what did hit the all today? So before we go to the all, let's take a look at this one. So the gap here out of the Russell 2K, yeah, we sold our calls as if we knew. Don't ask me. We have seen the movie for a while now. So here, the Russell retracing just like it has been doing every single time that it hits, right? So we have these instances here. So this one, let me go ahead and plot that so that, yeah, I know I'm wasting time, but this is important to show. Okay, this was 11 points, so it wasn't that much compared to the other one, but it paid nicely because the 160 call that we traded, we bought them at 6 cents. So within 2-3 days, they were able to go for almost $1. So yeah, that was nice there. So this pullback here is a healthy pullback. Really, we can look at that. I mean, how can QQQ just go straight up all the time, whereas other struggle? That's fine. But as a trader, you take your gain when you see them. So here, it gives you another opportunity that now, if this thing is able to bounce, even if tomorrow, for instance, it come here, it come below at the exponential moving average 20, which is green on my charts here on TradingView, that's fine, because I mean, from a technical point of view, you have had opportunities to buy that dip. So yeah, we will be waiting for that. If it's just straight up bounce out of there, now we know we have room and the gap, it's fully closed. What was the high here? 146.0, and here we closed at the low today was 145.90. So yeah, we have failed the gap on here. So let's see what goes on there. Very quickly here, in the time, the little time that we have left, every single time, I'm trying to do this video in exactly 720 seconds, folks. But it's more and more of a challenge. Let's see if we can achieve that today. So SPY, a little bit of sideway here. That's to be expected, right? So when we gap up as severely as we did between the 4th and the 5th. So let's watch out here, because tomorrow, is it going to be a case of testing the exponential moving average 8 period at around 315, or could it benefit as well? All we know is that at some point, 325, it's going to be hit, and you take it from me here. If I was taking a trade as of now, I will decide tomorrow morning. I will definitely go for that June 12th, 325 calls. We had in the pre-market today, we were talking about potential setup for that. Let's actually take a look at those. That's where we will have a record on here that, hey, we can own it, okay? So if it doesn't go, it doesn't go, so what? So that's just a possibility. So 325, let's go ahead and take a look at that chart. 62 cents, oh, nope, I was like, that's expensive. You know this channel, right? We specialize in penny options. Others do penny stock. We do. No, I don't know. Maybe actually I should consider that. So 325 calls for this Friday. Am I looking at the right thing? So June 10. No. This was correct. Yeah, because it has expiration on Wednesday. Jeez, where Wednesday, Telex? Where Wednesday? Come on now. Come on. So June 12, 325. Easy for me to say. These were correct. So the charts, as you know, how does it look like? Oh my goodness. Whoa. People, you know I love this. I love this. This is beautiful. What are you talking about? By all means. Oh man, I should have paid more attention within the last one. Okay, so you have a price of a stock here. First of all, below VWAP, okay? And this is the lowest price that we have had it for the last 3 days or thereabout. We love those trades, especially if tomorrow, oh, maybe lower here, okay, 50. So tomorrow morning, if we do not gap up, because you know how the day after FOMC, oh, you don't know that. Okay, so come to Successful Trading Coaching One-on-One. We'll teach you about the insights of the market that will enable you to get your trading to the next level. I kid you not. So off of this here, so yeah, we will definitely be looking at them. I mean, they were worth 12 cents on the 4th last week when we were, yeah, before the gap up. And then on that gap up, we went from 12 cents to $2. That was sheesh. Those were serious. We don't know if we're gonna have another gap up this Friday, folks. So come and check it out. So one for the road. Before it's all said and done, so some people could say, hey, yeah, I have a subscription channel, I don't give free trade or anything. But the analysis here actually is the feedback that most of the people they come for. So I'm gonna make it a point that there are a lot of trade guys, especially so right now, but some of the things that I see. So here's one for the roll. So you can play it as a lotto for Friday. The subscriber already didn't know about that. We do lotos on Thursday into Friday with a very high percentage gain. So right now, our recommendation will be going to what? Snap. Snap has been on a tear. Snap has been just posting very, very favorable numbers here lately. Even today, I mean, in the mix of this, so for us, what did we say? We say that, long-term next week, or the 24 calls or the 21.5 calls for tomorrow, for Friday. So that's from us to you. So if you are watching this video and it's actionable for expiration on June 12th, we hope that you got something out of it. We definitely are looking forward to having you on this very channel for another episode of a daily market recap or of our subscription performance that we post every Friday after the markets. So please, if you like the content, please subscribe, share with your friends, and we're looking forward to speaking with you on our Discord channel soon. Bye-bye.